Hey Riley, we have a surprise for you. We have some eggs. Let's see what we get. Yep, that's melted. Look what we got. Unfortunately, they melted, so we had to put them in the fridge to harden them up. But that doesn't mean we still can't get the toys, right? Right? Let's get the toys. So melted.
Toys probably embedded in the chocolate.
Probably. Oh no, it's so messy. Oh, this is just gonna get messy.
We're always stirring it.
Ooh. Let's try that again. This one seems cleaner. Just as melted though. Let's see what we get.
Easier to eat now when it's soggy.
Now we have two.
Oh, she's cute.
Double. We already have this one. Now we have two of these. I know, we're excited. Three? How many can we get? Now we have three.
Another adventure is underway. We just drove to Salt Lake, where we'll be staying the night. That's what we do. Two places at the airport and then an early flight.
Ooh, I think it's an eraser. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3 erasers. And then these 2. Hopefully the next time they won't melt. Thanks for watching.